Alright, this is going to be a quick video on how to enter the giveaway for the Autel AL539 code scanner that I posted yesterday. I received two great questions or comments on that video, and the first one is essentially just more or less a statement about the fact that I'm requiring people to live in the United States in order to enter. And the only reason why I did that is because I'm not sure if there are specific laws or rules that I would need to be aware of. So, and I apologize for that. If I do more of these in the future, I will do my best to learn about contest rules in other countries, and I'll do my best to open them up to other folks in other countries. But for this one, you do have to be a citizen or reside in the United States. I apologize for that. Okay. The other question was about the fact that I'm requiring a channel URL. So the reason why I'm doing that is essentially because I want to try to do my best to ensure that someone's not going to enter this thing 100 times and try to make it unfair. So the way you can obtain your channel URL would be to click on your icon in the upper right hand corner when you're logged into YouTube. So right here I'm just at the YouTube, my default screen on YouTube. And when I'm logged in, I can simply click on the icon, and if I don't have a picture, it might just show my initial. It might be the first initial of my first name, and I can just click on your channel. Okay, and the address I want is right here. So if you take your mouse and you just highlight that, and then I can right click and I can say copy on a Windows machine, and on a Mac you might want to highlight it, and then you could use the Command C key combination to copy that. We're going to need that in just a minute here, but let me just show you one other way to obtain your channel URL. So I'm on an account right now that doesn't really have a channel, but it has an account. So the my channel may not show under the icon. I can leave a comment on a video and then submit it, and then I can actually click on my icon here to obtain my channel address. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for, and I don't care that you don't have videos or subscribers. I'm really just trying to ensure that we don't have a bunch of duplicates. So here I'm just going to copy this. I'll use this one. Okay, so if I go back to the video, the way we get to the form or the entry form, here we don't need to watch this ad. Okay, I've got it right here. Click here to submit your entry, and it's also in the video, in a card, and at the very end, but we'll just go ahead and click right here. It's going to bring you to my website, nogripes.com. And don't click that, that's an ad. What we want to do is just start right here and start by filling out your email address. Okay, this pre-populated my first and last name, but you may have to type your first and last name in here. Now here, copy and paste your YouTube channel URL. I'm just going to right click and say paste, or you can also hit Control V. That's it. That's all I'm looking for. And then it's basically asking for the state that you live in, and that's just to ensure that you're, that you live in the United States. I'm going to say Maine. Should I continue to do occasional giveaways? That's up to you, or if you don't care, you can select that. And then I'm asking, if I do future giveaways, can I notify you using the email address that you've submitted? It's up to you. You can say no if you want. Okay, then you just click submit. Now I'm not going to do that because I don't want to enter the giveaway. I just want to show you what the process is. So hopefully this answers your question. If you're on a phone and you're using the YouTube app, I realize this is going to be a different process, and I don't have a way right now to mirror my phone. So what I would suggest is, if you're using a phone in the YouTube app, you might just open up the browser and log into YouTube that way and follow these steps. Okay, so again, thank you for those comments, and I'll do my best to answer questions and comments as they come in. And the next thing I'm going to do too is I'm going to show you how I'm going to select a winner using this Google form, and that's gonna be a geek out video because it's using a spreadsheet, but I want to post it so you can see how it's happening. All right, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have more questions or need further information on how to enter this thing. All right, good luck. Have a great day.